Out here in beautiful nature. Hello, beautiful people. Check it out. Oh, it's so picturesque, so lovely. Away from stress, by the trees, melodies. Love, love, love ya, nature. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. There's some epic trees here as well. Epic trees. Whoa. Look at the moss. Look at the moss. Whoa. Dad hiding in the trees. So nice. Look at the rock. Woo! It looks prehistoric here. It's like, whoa. So beautiful. Loving it, loving it, loving the nature. Loving it, there's no danger. Tree. Bubbly tree. This is the bubble tree. Bubbly curly whirly whirly wee. Gotta get out in nature, guys. Listen to the water. Breathe in the trees. Loving all the sunshine bouncing off the leaves. Even love the mud. Squishy, squashy, squoo. I love trees and I love you. We all know life can be stressful and confusing at times. It's usually our ego constantly talking and trying to distract us from what's really real. Well, nature's what's really real. When I'm out in nature, all those worries just go away. So it's important to get into nature as much as possible. Into the trees. Feeling the love. Because nature is the best listener and the best lover, nurturer. Giving us everything we need. It's all right here. So yeah. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't even know what my favourite thing about nature is. Maybe the zenness of it all. Peace and tranquility. No judgment. Just able to just be. And it's simple. Simples. Look at this. It's like an afro. Beautiful greenery. Little spiky bits coming out. Nature's so lush. How nice. Oh, so lovely. You little pooch. Little poochy pooch. Inspiring nature. Even though this tree's fallen, there's still life growing all along it. It's like a little climbing frame up there. It's up there in this cave crevice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's so nice. What? We're in the woods though. Mossy.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's all so beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey sheepies! I love you so much. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. I hope you're okay. I hope you get rescued. Bah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sheepies. I don't think that one liked me. Hey sheepies. Love you, sheeps. Bye, sheepies. Oh, there's loads over there. Oh. God bless you, little sheepies. I hope you don't get eaten ever, ever. Love you. Love you, sheepies. Hey, pheasant. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my god.
Wow, that looks amazing, doesn't it?
I know. So beautiful.
What sheets are they?
Hey peeps, so kind of a bit of a compilation there of different nature times out with my dad. Thought I'd share with you. I never made an end to the video, so that's why I sort of continued. But yeah, just thought I'd say nature is the best healer and just got to get out in nature as much as possible. Helps you feel alive and takes away anxiety. Really, really does. No worries out in nature as long as no one's trying to harm nature. So yeah, just saying goodbye now. Bye guys, love you lots. Peace. Yeah, I've posted some stuff since then as well, which was maybe a bit emotional, but it's okay to have emotions and be emotional. You know, we're human beings having a, I mean, we're multi-dimensional beings, but we're having a human experience, so things are going to come up and, you know, make us feel certain ways. But yeah, I thought I'd put something a bit cheerier on there for you guys. Someone mentioned that they miss seeing me out in the summer enjoying myself, so I thought, well, I'm still enjoying myself out in nature no matter what the season is, so nature's always there, so get out, enjoy nature, and yeah, love you lots guys. Peace. Thanks for all your lovely comments and your beautiful energy and vibes. I really appreciate you. Love you. Bye.